The cell is the basis of all life on Earth. The capacity to interact with living cells holds the key to making great discoveries. Nanolive's CXA, together with its quantification software, Eve Analytics, represents a significant breakthrough in the field of quantitative live cell imaging and analysis. It's extremely easy to get highly relevant, content-rich data with Nanolive's CXA platform. Let Eve Analytics' user-friendly interface guide you through your experimental setup and then walk away. The CXA will ensure that your images are acquired while your cells are safe and healthy for as long as you need inside Nanolive's integrated top-stage incubation solution. Once imaging is finished, easily collect your cells from the CXA's accessible sample stage and move them back into your incubator or proceed to run your downstream experiments. Everything is now ready for you to visualize your results. Simply select your wells of interest and travel through the images to observe changes in cell phenotype. Once you've found what you're looking for, you can proceed to analyze it. Nanolive's analysis software, Eve Analytics, delivers robust and high-precision segmentation masks of your cells, whether they are sparsely or densely populated, over long periods of time. Get your analysis results in no time thanks to the integrated plotting functionalities within Eve Analytics, and proudly share the results with your colleagues. Eve Analytics for CXA, a complete solution for automated, quantitative, label-free live cell imaging and analysis. Get higher significance, earlier and faster.